All right, shifting focus to how the Supreme Court recently criticized state governments for having sufficient funds to provide freebies but claiming financial constraints when it comes to paying salaries and pensions to judges of district judiciary. I'm now joined by my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar on this broadcast. Ananya, very crucial observation that has been made by Supreme Court, and without taking any name of the party, in a way they have hit out at all the parties who have been announcing freebies in and around the elections.
Well, definitely, this is something that has come right ahead of the Delhi Assembly polls. The Supreme Court going on to say that, while the states have money to give freebies, they claim financial crunch when it comes to paying salaries and pension to judges. In fact, this was the bench headed by Justice B.R. Gavai and, Augustine George Massey, which cited the Ladli-Behna Yojna and promises being made ahead of the Delhi Assembly polls. Justice Gavai reference was to the freebies came after the Attorney General of India, Mr. R. Venkatramani, highlighted the rising pension bill of the government and said that, the financial constraints need to be kept in mind while deciding the particular issue. And that is something when Justice Gavai got a little irked and said that, the state have all the money for the people who don't do work. When we talk about financial constraints, we also have to look at this. Whenever election comes in, you declare Ladli-Behna Yojna and other new schemes where you pay fixed amounts, and that is something that made the Supreme Court a little irked over how the judges are not being paid pensions while the governments are declaring various schemes in order to give it to people right ahead of the Delhi elections itself.
All right, thank you, Ananya. I request you to please stay with us as we are getting another breaking input from the top judiciary now.